Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone notification sound not working on iPhone after update iOS 17.3.1. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Check your Wi-Fi connection. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap on Wi-Fi. Turn off Wi-Fi. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Solution number 2. Allow notification for apps. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on notification. On the notification page, tap on show previous. Select always and go back notification page. Scroll down, tap on app. Turn on allow notification. Solution number 3. Restart your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on general. On the general page, scroll down, tap shutdown. Now slide it to power off and turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Enter your phone passcode. Solution number 4. Reset all setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap on general. On the general page, scroll down, tap transfer reset iPhone. Tap reset. Tap reset all setting. Enter your phone passcode. Again reset all setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Solution number 5. Turn off do not disturb mode. Open the control center on your iPhone. On the control center page, tap on do not disturb mode. Turn off do not disturb mode. Thanks for watching this video.